Done.
Do a few.
We have a little video now. So Bernie, talk us through what you've done.
Oh,
Yeah.
I just, you saw it. Originally it just started off as a couple of oil leaks, and it ended up a little bit more than that. I thought, well, I've got the tractor apart, I might just give it a bit of a do-over, and yeah. And then it got out of control a little bit, and yeah. So and this is what we ended up with. So yeah, it was pretty awesome. Yeah, it was nice to work on something special like this. I mean, I know it means a lot to Burnside cricket. Yeah, so yeah, it was pretty fun.
What year do you think it is? Is it 25?
Yeah, I'm not too sure. Working off, it was hard to get information on it. I was just pretty much going off the information, but I believe that it's been modified like 40 years ago or something.
I actually think that it's pre the Second World War.
It's about when Reg was born.
Yeah, Reg came along earlier than me and earlier than Dowling, but not by a hell of a lot.
So it's a new petrol tank.
No, it's
original.
Yeah, it's still the original. Just I think it had
It just
about.
looks quite smart.
It's painted blue.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, not masturbated. Painted.
Marvellous job, isn't it?
Bernie,
Yes, tried to keep as much as of the original parts that I could. There's just a couple of changes, like I changed it, put an alternator on there instead of the old generator that was on there.
Wasn't working.
Yeah, that wasn't working. So, like I said, it's hard to get parts for these. I had a couple of goes at the old carburetor, but it was running fine, but just kept on leaking. So, put it in your carb there and tried to make it a bit comfortable for the operator there. So,
The old bastards.
yeah. When you
The old seat, but his nuts got caught.
yeah.
Well, I think you've done a brilliant job.
Oh, thank you very much.
That's great.
Yeah, no, that was
Real credit to you.
no, thank you.
Bernie,
Appreciate it.
fully rewired. Everything's like
Fully rewired. I try also what we did was just made it standard to the standard or the normal starting position. So at least it's pretty safe now. If anyone wants to jump on and just turn the key, they can't just start it. So you have to have it in the start position for it to be able to start. Hydraulics serviced that a little bit. That's working fine now.
It's now got brakes.
It's got brakes, brand new brakes on there.
Didn't have brakes before.
Never had brakes, it's at the back wall of the shed.
So I had brakes, but they very temperamental. Sometimes seriously, they didn't work. You had to hit bloody a reverse, crunch the bloody gearbox. So the gearbox was in one piece, sort of one.
Yeah.
We're going to running 5 hour seats over there or something.
Yeah, well I told her, RK and I used to have bloody morning tea outside his place.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, and I used to drive over there because I was too lazy.
Too lazy.
What about the ditch incident with Carl Heiser?
Yeah, he wouldn't tell me the truth.
That's a great job, really.
No,
Much appreciated. So we fire it up so the gentleman can hear it clear, eh?
Yeah.
No.
That's all right.
Well,
So you don't need those shoes.
No, nice to meet you. I thought playing with the youngsters
Fine.
There you go, Crash. What do you reckon?
Oh, brilliant. Great to see he's colour coded as well with the jersey.
Yeah.
Puff colours on the tractor.
Yeah.
No, it'll be quite an emotional moment for him, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
He wants to go out on number one and light a smoke and have a smoke with Andrew.
How is the brakes?
You know, that's good fun.
They're good. So I wanted it
Well,
to,
there's the gearbox.
Oh no.
I wanted it to work in a little bit before I adjust it fully, so over time we just need to adjust a little bit. It needs to work in.
Thank you.